7-Day Detox Diet. The air, the processed foods we eat, smoking, alcoholic drinks, all of these and more highly contribute to the amount of toxins we consume every day. It's hard to imagine that almost anything present in modern societies are and will take a toll on our health eventually. These substances are either metabolized in the liver or enter the bloodstream and stress our system. In that case, this 7-day detox diet can help you rid of the unwanted substances and make you feel better. Detoxification or detox provides a relief to your system from these harmful substances we regularly consume, and it likewise puts your eating habits on the right track. You'll find that you'll feel less fatigued, invigorated, revitalized, and the bloated feeling will go away once you skip your intake of such ingredients like refined flour, sugar, caffeine, alcohol, canned food, etc., that more or less confuse your organs. The key to a successful 7-day detox diet program is to motivate yourself. In short, detox requires psychological, emotional, and physiological preparedness. However, this 7-day detox program is contraindicated to people with chronic disease and pregnant and lactating women. The food you should eat in a 7-day detox diet. Remind yourself to follow this meal plan every day of your 7-day detox diet program and make sure you chew your food thoroughly, so as to give you time and feel less deprived. Start your day by drinking 2 glasses, 8 ounces, of distilled water upon waking up. Squeeze 1/2 lemon into 1 glass of water. The reason is to stimulate your digestive juices, as well as make a goal of drinking 6 more glasses for the whole day. For breakfast, eat any fresh fruit 15 to 30 minutes before your whole grains like buckwheat, brown rice, millet, amaranth, or quinoa. To add some flavor to your grains, add in 2 tablespoons or 100% pure fruit juice, virgin oil, olive or coconut, or butter. Supplement your 7-day detox diet meal with the recommended 200 to 400 IU of natural vitamin E and 100 to 200 micrograms of selenium. These contain antioxidants that help fight the free radicals in your system. For mid-morning snack, sip 1 to 2 cups of vegetable broth left over from steaming your vegetables. Season it with a little salt. And then take 500 to 1000 milligrams of vitamin C, ideally with calcium and magnesium. When choosing a brand, make sure it doesn't contain artificial sweeteners or sugar. Eat steamed vegetables for lunchtime. Again, save the water left by steaming and refrigerate it. You can also do the same for dinner. At least 4 vegetables would suffice to give you varied flavors and textures.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.